to do a quick update on Meta. Meta finished inside with an inside hammer today with price stacked over the 50 EMA, closing over the 9 EMA with a bullish flag on the week, the day, and the month. Inside on the week, day, and month as well. So we have this nice inside day, week, month hammer and bullish flag synergy across all time frames, right? Heading into earnings the end of the month. Another thing to point out about Meta is this happened on increasing volume, and we had a lot of volatility this week with SPY closing under the the 200-day EMA, and the VIX closing over its 200-day EMA. And so we had a lot of volatility, and we're heading into tomorrow's NFP data release. So let's just keep Meta on watch, man. I just think Meta goes higher. If I wouldn't trade Meta right away. I want Meta to break out of this wedge first because we've been struggling to break above 307 to get back to 310. So I think if we break above 307 with increasing volume, we should be able to take out the 310.60 price level and then get closer to that 314. So 310, then 312, then 313.90. But again, one traffic light at a time. Now, if things take a turn for the worse with the NFP data tomorrow, then I wouldn't trade puts unless Meta takes out 298. So Meta takes out 298, then we should be able to get back down here to the 50 EMA. I'm sorry, if Meta takes out the 260, what is that? Sorry, 299, 299.50. My first price target would be 298 because that's our 50. That's where Meta would likely bounce if it does lose that level. And but they've been defending 295.71 pretty well. So you may get if you get down here, if we were to get down here, I would just be careful with looking for a continuation unless you get increasing volume. But Meta has been doing a pretty good job at defending 300. Now, I'm going to give you one more tip before I close this video. Whenever SPY and QQQ starts to face any sort of selling pressure, Meta starts to go up. And any chance it gets, it's been going up to create some cushion. So when it comes down, they're able, because look, this what they do, they time it with so normally when the market comes down, it doesn't come down for extended period of time. The selling pressure and the volume starts to slow down, and that normally correlates with Meta getting back to its 300 price level, right? So that's where they're able to kind of keep it. So they've been keeping it elevated, and it's been coming down as we retest, as the selling pressure increases for the overall market or just the technology sector. So anyway, keep Meta on watch. Looks great. I like it as a long swing. If we can close over, like tomorrow is Friday, so let's look at the weekly. We're inside on the week. I feel like if Meta can close above our key level here, still hold 300, I think we can have a continuation. What I would like is, so let's just see how this plays out. This would be a really good situation. Now, it could go the other way if we get a bearish engulfing or something like that, because that's the only type of engulfing we can get at this point. Then, yeah, things could take another turn. But yeah, let's keep this on watch. Meta looks great heading into earnings, and just as a trade idea for tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.